Northeast winds around 5 miles an hour until midnight, becoming flood warning in effect until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time this morning. What flooding caused by excessive runoff is expected? Where? West Central Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina. When? Until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Low-water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Additional details: at 1:28 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, automated river gauges indicated rapid rises due to runoff from previous rainfall. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Despite an earlier drop in river stage, continued runoff has resulted in a recent increase in river stage along the Second Creek watershed. At 1:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the stream gauge on Second Creek near 70 was in action stage and rapidly approaching minor flood stage, which for the stream gauge occurs at 14 feet. Flooding of adjacent low-lying farmland is anticipated in response and should continue for much of the overnight. Impacted crossings upstream may include at White Road, Lyerly Road, Upright Road, Graham Road, Hall Road, Childers Road, and Bear Papa Road. Some locations that will experience flooding include Piedmont Research Station. Weather.gov/safety/flood. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the morning.
We have an aerial flood warning, 1:51 a.m. at midnight for Rowan County, North Carolina on KJY85. And as for my other radios on KJY85 as well as WXL70, they also got it as well. But I just had my Midland 74-100 here be at the center of the spotlight.